Hey guys, I am back with Stray Kids reactions here because for some reason, I know I'm a day late. I didn't get a notification that the music video for the sound dropped. So, for this video, I am going to do the teasers for the sound and then the music video because I actually I managed to avoid every single one of the teasers. Don't know how I managed it, but I did. So we're going to watch the 3 teasers and then the trailer and the 3 teasers, and then we're going to watch the music video because I have no idea what this sounds like at all. I actually completely managed to avoid spoilers for this. So we're going to try this out and see how it goes. So we'll start off with the trailer. We're going to start off with the trailer, and yeah, I'm excited to see what they have in store for their first full-length Japanese album. So this is gonna be cool. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Chan conducting. Okay. Headset for Felix. Donut headset for some reason. Wouldn't it be cool? I wouldn't be surprised, but wouldn't it be cool if these were like the actual sheet music for the song? I don't believe it is. I just spotted some incorrect sheet music notation here. Something seems very off here. So I think this is just for the look. The instrumental is very simple. Okay. Ooh. Okay. How dare he look so good? Like he's barely doing anything. I love the styling for him. I'm getting a headache looking at that sheet music. Mostly just because I'm immediately thinking of how to play it, and Jesus Christ, that looks annoying. Oh god. Interesting. Okay. Cool. Didn't really give much away other than maybe the concept for the album. It seems very playful, very colorful, very surrounded by around music. There were several like Chan with I don't know what it's called in English, the conductor stick. Also the sheet music as well. the drums, the drum that Changbin was playing on. Don't know what that's called in English either. Timpani or kettle drum. It's because in Danish we call it pauke. I don't know why, but that and Chan's conductor stick and also the horn that Ian was to be playing, along with the piano as well. There's several, maybe not the piano, several of the things point towards like classical music, or at least like symphony orchestra kind of thing, which I think is pretty cool, and I think it's very unique. But this is going to be long anyways, so I'm just gonna jump ahead to the first teaser. Let's see, music video teaser 1. Okay, right off the bat, Chan on a fucking drum set? No. Okay. It didn't give much of anything. Wow. I feel like that gave less than the teasers from Accident. Oh my god. But pretty much the only thing I like caught was Chana drum set, then Felix, and there was also something with like a pressure dial that the pressure was rising. Yeah, let's go to number 2. Okay, that's the same kind of Okay, it still seems kind of simple in the instrumental, but definitely this had more build than the first one did. I really have no clue what this music video is gonna be like. Okay, that's different. Huh. You too.
What?
Don't worry, you're not in frame.
I don't give a fuck. It's just my face. I don't want it.
Not your underwear.
I don't give a fuck.
But YouTube does.
I guess you have to censor it.
I really liked that in this last teaser we actually got some of the chorus, and I love that out of all of the people they could have chosen to highlight in that chorus, they chose Ian, who is usually really underappreciated. My boyfriend's being a dork, but I love him. No, you're a dork.
Just look at my fine hoe right there.
You don't pay me. But yeah, that teaser really made me excited to hear the rest of that chorus, because it actually sounded really cool. So let's just jump straight into the music video, because I don't want to do theories about things, because I'm shit at theories anyways. So let's just jump into it and see. cool choreography.
시카리 또 붙이고 몰리지 물이 now 고타임 밑에 삐고 베이스 드럼 포기 털 건지름만 말이 show 가츠린 옷에 캐라도 with the kanjo 템포 갇혀 driving me crazy your beat so very tight 느낌이 사라니야 같아 군 my tension 쏟아내긴 톤 옷에 웃다운 anthem The crowd's gonna follow us 두둑게 삐차게 붙여 kill bang bang gotta shut it out now Oh nothing better Yeah nothing matters 야미 못해라 시다스하지 말이 no spotlight This is the sound It's the sound 모래오 힘이 간세니 아와세 태우고 기다쓴다 This is the sound It's the sound 세계의 꽃은 날개로 포크라 놓고 any 아와세 move it up
Okay, no. We're taking that chorus once more because what?
Just like my dick. Missed. You're gonna start over. Hey! Put that down! Put that down! Put that down! I'm gonna shoot you. Even the dog is with me. Should I shoot Mama? Luna? Should I shoot Mama? Huh? Okay.
Motherfucker!
It was the dogs. Legs! Don't! Not the legs! I don't have any pants on!
Okay. Before this video ends up being half an hour long for a 3-minute song.
More ads.
No ads because it's a copyrighted song. Dumbass.
Oh, so you're not making money, huh?
You know I'm not making fucking money. But yeah, let's take that chorus again because if I'm not completely wrong, that was completely just Ian and Sungmin. And Ian opening the chorus like that, nobody can say he can't carry his own after this. I don't care what the hell the fucking naysayers and antis would say about this. He can carry his own in this.
Yeah, nothing matters 야미 못해라 시다스하지 말이 no spotlight This is the sound, it's the sound 모래오 힘이 간세니 아와세 태우고 기다쓴다 This is the sound, it's the sound 세계의 꽃은 날개로 포크라 놓고 any 아와세 move it up
My god, I wish I had subtitles.
모자란 모두면 나는 나의 fire 마크가 우리 태무 갖고 새 나의 간조 길이 나의 q Let my breath out 이기 웃을 때 once more 하키다 so Wake up 감정이 지금 빠지카 아타라시 가득해 착하고 나시 out olively 아쉬운데 후를 쏟아 오모이 코멘의 cheers 스탠이 목힘에 단단 나니 목함은 pierce 이마 gotta fly here right now Oh nothing better Yeah nothing matters 야미 못해라 시다스하지 말이 no spotlight This is the sound It's the sound 모래오 힘이 간세니
I'm sorry. What? I wasn't expecting to switch up with Han starting the next chorus. Oh my god. Is it then going to be Han and Sungmin, or is Lino gonna come on? I don't know.
This is the sound, it's the sound. 노래 보기비겠어. 간신히 아웃을 때 웃고 기다린다. This is the sound, it's the sound. 세계의 모든 날개를 보고나 놓고 any I want to move it up. 붓고 터치는 rhapsody, rhapsody. 딱 하나로 this melody, melody. I get to equal volume up, max it up.全てが一つになって広がるんだ。
I gotta take it to this time, I gotta take it to our sound. Get down to destination, this is our music drive.
뭐야 가로 스테이지가 뭐야 가로 락크자. 착한 나라 feed and beat, teach you show and music drive. This is the sound, it's the sound. 노래 오히비카스 간신히 아웃을 때 웃고 기다린다. This is the sound, it's the sound. 세계의 모든 날개를 보고나 놓고 any I want to move it up.
Oh my god. What's the rest of the album gonna be like? Wow. That chorus went hard. I love that. It feels very, very different from what I've heard from them earlier, and definitely very, very different from both like Maxident and the Skiz Replay, which are like the most recent drops from them. It's very different, and I love that. Ooh, I'm so excited to see what this album brings. And it was the 22nd, wasn't it? I believe. Doesn't say somewhere here. No, of course it doesn't. But it does say the song titles. So there's The Sound, which is this one. Battleground, that could either be like a slowed down in your feelings song, or it could be a powerful song just like The Sound. Lost Me sounds like a stripped back song. And then there's an acronym, I don't know what is. DLMLU. I'm just gonna take a shot in dark and guess Don't Love Me Like You. I'm not sure. Then we have Novel. The Japanese version of Case 143, Japanese version of Chill, Scars. Okay, so it's going to Scars has already been released before. So it's just going on the full album, I'm guessing. Oh, I don't know what that song is. That's a Japanese title, and it shouldn't be necessary to write Japanese version after a song that has a Japanese title, but Sorikun. So it's Thunderous, Japanese version of Thunderous. Interesting. And then a song called There. So it's going to be 10 songs, it seems. Cool. I'm looking forward to it. It's in like 12 days, so... Oh. But yeah, I love this song. This song was so cool, and I really like the music video as well. But one thing I really appreciate with this song is they really chose to like highlight their singers like straight off the bat with Ian, and Ian got 2 chorus like solos, as well as Sungmin. So Vocal Racha got the duo in this, but also Han and Chan got the chance for the second chorus. And then Lino in the breakdown, just it was so perfect with his nice soft vocals. I love that. Love that. Oh, and I really love that we also got to see like different sides to both basically to all of the rappers as well. I really like that we got some more like what can you say, a little bit longer stretches of rap from Hyunjin. That was pretty cool, because he really has a unique tone, and it really I think it suits Stray Kids as a whole, of course, but I really think he, like, especially with Changbin, him and Changbin, their sound just really mix well. So that's so cool. But yeah, that was it. That was the sound. I wish I had checked it out yesterday when it came out. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't get the notification for it, but never mind. As always, in the description of this video, you can find the link to my Discord, as well as my handles on different social media, which is Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. So if you want to reach out, go ahead. I am still getting a little bit better at being active on Instagram and TikTok with posting, but I'm pretty active on Twitter, so you can definitely find me there. And yeah, other than that, I just want to say thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.